Okay, taking off the door. Now I need to take these two off. Then there's another one here. Two more screws here below the door, and you have to take this lever out. Be careful because it has a safety inside which will fly away very easily. Now with a tool like this, I will try to pry open the face of the door slowly and carefully. Now taking off this metal part, and then I should have access to the inside of the door. Okay, and I didn't film taking out the lock itself because I had nowhere to place the camera. Basically, you will have one lever which comes here through the door, the one that goes to the bottom of the door, and it has this pin that you need to take out so you can remove it. Then on the sides here you have these clips. The one you see here I made from a headset band because the original one broke, and these are held in the door. After you put them, these metal pieces, so you put this on the door, and then on the inside you slide this in like this, right, on this side, and it's the same on the other side, and then this will hold the lock-in position, the latch-in position. As you can imagine, when taking it out, you first remove the pin here, then you push this one out, then it should have, sorry about that, it should have another one here. You push them out and you can take this out. Yeah, not the easiest way because it's very hard to reach them, it's very tricky to put it back and to get it out. Okay, so this is what's wrong with it. As you can see, the other lever should be to the left of the one that's moving, and it's not, so I have to see how I can get it back. This is how it should look. Okay, so the fix, I try to bend this lever downwards so it doesn't slip so easily, and this is what I did last time because this is the second time the same thing breaks in a matter of weeks. So right now I try to put some duct tape on it to make it thicker, so it's very hard now to have an overlap between these two levers, right? Hopefully this will fix it. If not, the parts are worn, so I will have to change it, but yeah, I hope this fixes it. Not a professional fix, but anyway.